Welcome to my channel. Today we talk about ceiling design. Let's start. The ultimate guide to choosing the perfect ceiling design for your home. A ceiling design can be the perfect finishing touch to any room in your home, adding depth and character to your living spaces. In this video, we'll go over the different types of ceiling designs and considerations you should make when choosing the perfect one for your home. One of the most popular ceiling designs is the coffered ceiling. This type of ceiling features recessed panels that add depth and dimension to the room. Coffered ceilings are often seen in traditional or formal settings and can be made of various materials such as wood, plaster, or even metal. Another popular ceiling design is the tray ceiling. Tray ceilings have a recessed center that creates a tray-like shape. This type of ceiling design is perfect for adding depth and elegance to any room. Tray ceilings can be paired with a variety of lighting options to enhance the look and feel of the room. If you're looking to add height and drama to a room, a vaulted ceiling might be the perfect option. This type of ceiling design features a steep slope, creating a grand and spacious feel. Vaulted ceilings are often seen in living rooms or great rooms and can be made of various materials such as wood or plaster. Beam ceilings are a classic and rustic option that can add warmth and charm to any room. This type of ceiling design features exposed beams that can be made of wood or metal. Beam ceilings are perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. If you're looking to make a statement with your ceiling, a pattern ceiling might be the perfect option. Pattern ceilings can be created with a variety of materials such as wallpaper, paint, or even tiles. Pattern ceilings are perfect for adding a pop of color and personality to any room. While the different types of ceiling designs can add a lot of personality to your living spaces, sometimes a simple ceiling is the best option. Simple ceilings can be made of plaster or drywall and can be painted any color to match your decor. A simple ceiling can be the perfect canvas for other design elements in your room. When choosing a ceiling design for your home, there are a few things to consider. First, think about the overall style of your home and how the ceiling design will fit into that style. Second, consider the size of the room and the height of the ceiling. A vaulted ceiling might not work in a smaller room with lower ceilings. Lastly, think about your budget and how much you're willing to spend on the ceiling design. Here are some tips to choose a perfect ceiling design. Consider the overall style of your home when choosing a ceiling design. Look for inspiration in design magazines, websites, and social media platforms. Consider the height of your ceilings when choosing a design. Take into account the size of the room when selecting a ceiling design. Choose a ceiling design that complements your flooring. Use a coffered ceiling to add elegance and depth to a room. Use a tray ceiling to create a focal point in a room. A vaulted ceiling can create a grand and spacious feel in a room. Consider using exposed beams for a rustic and cozy look. Use a pattern ceiling to add a pop of color and personality to a room. Choose a simple ceiling for a minimalist and modern look. Use a drop ceiling to hide wiring, pipes, and ductwork. Use a plaster ceiling to add texture and depth to a room. Consider using a tin ceiling for a vintage and industrial feel. Use a wood panel ceiling for a warm and inviting look. Use a mirrored ceiling to add depth and reflection to a room. Choose a metallic ceiling for a sleek and modern look. Use a glass ceiling for a unique and modern feel. Use a curved ceiling for a soft and flowing look. Use a dome ceiling for a grand and regal feel. Use a painted ceiling to add color and personality to a room. Use a stained glass ceiling for a colorful and artistic look. Use a fabric ceiling for a soft and cozy feel. Use a wallpapered ceiling for a bold and dramatic look. Use a sound-absorbing ceiling for a quiet and peaceful room. Use a fiber optic ceiling for a starry night effect. Use a bamboo ceiling for a natural and eco-friendly look. Use a cork ceiling for a unique and earthy feel. Use a faux finish ceiling for a textured and artistic look. Use a ceiling medallion for a traditional and elegant look. Use a ceiling mural for a unique and artistic look. Use a lighted ceiling for a dramatic and modern look. Use a skylight for natural lighting and a view of the sky. Use a recessed ceiling for a clean and modern look. Use a tray ceiling with a chandelier for a dramatic and elegant look. Use a ceiling fan to add functionality and style to a room. Use a dropped ceiling with recessed lighting for a modern and sleek look. Use a painted mural on a ceiling to add a unique and artistic touch. Use a combination of materials for a unique and eclectic look. Use a geometric ceiling for a modern and sleek look. Use a corrugated metal ceiling for a rustic and industrial feel. Use a barrel vault ceiling for a unique and dramatic look. Use a polycarbonate ceiling for a translucent and modern look. Use a copper ceiling for a unique and regal look. Use a barrel ceiling for a cozy and inviting feel. Use a stenciled ceiling for a unique and artistic touch. Use a domed ceiling with a skylight for a grand and dramatic look. Use a paneled ceiling for a traditional and elegant look. Use a stretched fabric ceiling for a soft and elegant look. Use a stamped tin ceiling for a vintage and industrial feel. Use a glass block ceiling for a unique and modern feel. We hope this guide has helped you in choosing the perfect ceiling design for your home. Whether you're looking to add elegance, warmth, or personality to your living spaces, there's a ceiling design that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching.